In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a portrait in Luminar AI. We'll take a portrait from the moment you open it to a clean, natural, polished result using Luminar's AI-powered tools, focusing on subtlety and control so your subject still looks like themselves. Begin by launching Luminar AI and opening the portrait you want to edit. You can click Add Photos or Open Image, then select your file. Once it loads, give yourself a moment to evaluate the image. Think about exposure, color balance, and what you want the final mood to be. Start with Intelligent Global Improvements. Go to the Edit tab and choose Enhance AI. Gently move the slider to the right until the image gains clarity and balance without looking overdone. This one adjustment can smartly improve exposure, contrast, color, and detail, creating a solid foundation for everything that follows. Next, move into the portrait-focused tools. In the Portrait section, open Skin AI. Increase the amount slider carefully to smooth skin while keeping natural texture. Use shine removal to calm any hot spots from lighting, and blemish removal to minimize distractions. Keep an eye on pores and fine details. Less is often more for a natural finish. Open Face AI to refine facial features with precision. Face Light lifts the face subtly without flattening contrast. Slim Face can nudge overall shape if needed, but stay conservative to preserve realism. Use Eye Enhancer to make the eyes crisper, and Eye Whitening to brighten the whites just enough to look rested. Dark Circles Removal helps reduce under-eye shadows, and teeth whitening can freshen a smile. Apply each adjustment lightly and build gradually for a believable result. To add depth, use Portrait Bokeh AI to simulate a blurred background. Increase the amount slider until your subject stands out nicely. Use the brush controls to refine the mask, especially around hair or complex edges. Adjust brightness, warmth, and highlights. Glow to match the blur to your scene so it feels naturally captured. Fine-tune the overall image in Light or Develop by adjusting exposure, highlights, shadows, and contrast. Then visit Color to refine saturation, warmth, and tint, keeping skin tones natural. A subtle vignette can guide attention toward the face without calling attention to itself. If you want a creative finish, try Glow for a soft, dreamy highlight shimmer, or use layers to add textures, overlays, or stylized lighting. These are optional and best used to support the mood you're aiming for. When you're happy, click Export. Choose JPEG for sharing or TIFF for print, set size, color space, and quality, and save your polished portrait.